Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shreya and you're watching Shreya's Lifestyle. So in this video, I have created a red smoky eyes. So I hope you will like it and it's just step by step. So let's get started.
Okay, so I have just moisturized my skin with my Face Shop Damyang Bamboo moisturizing gel, and now I'm just concealing my eyes and blending it really well with my mini blender so that my eyeshadow looks really very prominent and pigmented. Now I'll be using my Maybelline Superstay 24 Hours in the shade Keep It Red lipstick as my base color, as it's a red smoky eye. So now I will be blending it with my fingertips, blend it nicely, and now I'll be using my Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in the shade 04, and I will just use a lighter orange shade to build my crease, and then a darker shade than that orange shade on the outer corners of my eyes, and again a darker shade than that on my outer corners, so that it gives a good contrast to my eyes. And then I'll be using my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil to give a good black contrast to my eyes so that it looks really very attractive. And then I'll blend it very nicely. Blending needs to be done well, and again blending it, blending, and then I'll be using my lipstick again on my lower lids, because using eyeshadow on your lower lids looks really very pretty and really gives a good looks to your eyes. And I'll blend it nicely, blending, and my eye needs a little bit more red shade, so I'll be putting my lipstick again and blend it very smoothly and nicely. And then I'll be curling my eyelashes using my Ardell eyelash curler, and then I'll be putting a mascara from L'Oreal Million Lashes and a good coat of mascara. I just love putting mascara. And I'll be eyelinering my eyes using my Oriflame eyeliner, and then set for the other eye, and I'll be using my Pack Mink lashes, and then I'll be putting foundation on, and I'll be baking my face, and I'll be using a highlighter from WetnWild in the shade Precious Petals on the bridge of the nose, on top of the nose, Cupid's bow, my chin, again on the high points, high cheekbones, and on my forehead, and definitely on my exposed areas like my collarbones. And then I'll be using a blush from WetnWild in the shade Mai Tai Buy You a Drink, and then I'll be using my WetnWild single eyeshadow glitter in the shade Brass, and it's so pigmented, I just love it. And then I'll be using my Matte to Last Minute liquid lipstick in the shade Madras Kaapi, and I'll be setting my face using my Smashbox primer water, and then you're good to go. Here is my look, guys. I hope you like it.
This was all about it. If you like my video, then please do like it and let me know in the comment sections below how do you like it and what kind of looks do you want me to recreate. And don't forget to hit the bell icon and please do subscribe to my channel. Ta-da!